We're going to have a look at the referrals report in Google Analytics and a little bit on how to use it. Right, so I look a little bit differently on the referral page. We are now in, I must say, we are now in a state where we're looking at the referrals report under acquisition in Google Analytics. And this report you can really use in many different ways, but the most profitable way that I've been able to use it is by looking at what pages do people share to other people. Because think about it, these are the pages, or the pages that people share or that people link to will be those pages that end up here in the referrals tab. So these are all pages that people have been willing to recommend. So the way I figure out which ones they are is that by I look at landing page here, and I see these are the pages that people have been either linking to or sharing in social media or been recommending one way or another. So this should really give me a hint as to what type of content should I create in order to make people share the stuff that I have on my website. And so there you can see it's the lead page. We have some how to get Facebook insights into Google Data Studio. That seemed to be good. We have my YouTube channel, we have the blog page, we have the category page for Google Analytics, we have the 7 facts about Facebook username, And what you do then, once you figure these out, you try to have a look at them and see what is it on this page that might, be good for sharing. Why would someone share this? Oh, well, what can I see from this? Well, first of all, it has some kind of list that makes people usually link. It is a how-to. What people want, how to actually solve a problem. It doesn't, jab, about shit that don't matter. It includes photos, pictures. That's also something that helps people share these things. And it has some resources down here below that actually makes it a part of a community or a community of posts that are related to the same thing. So people generally scroll down and then they click these. It all adds to the authority of this page, and so people will be more likely to share this than not so. Did I make any sense saying that? The method here is more important than me making sense about the actual optimization. It is that you use the referrals report in order to improve your pages for sharing, so that people will start sharing your content more. You understand what content works on what platform. So if you have the landing page here and the referral, then you go and you write source. Boom. And then this might give you the idea of what works on Facebook, what works on LinkedIn, what works on YouTube, etc., etc., etc. So then you use this information in order to shape your content plan, if that makes any sense. So that's how I would use this.